Yung arig na orig nating defender ng ICC dito sa Senado, balikan lang natin ang dating Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago.
As a benchmark in the progressive development of international human rights, the court represents a crime of international criminal justice by establishing individual criminal liability for those responsible for serious violations of their own statute. The salient features of their own statute are as follows. Bullet. Principle of complementarity, spelled P-L-E, not P-L-I. Complementarity. The court will act only as a court of last resort. It acts only in exceptional cases where a court has failed to bring justice because that court is unwilling or unable to investigate and prosecute those who have the highest responsibility for the most serious crimes of concern to the international community. Kaya nakikita ko na dito na kung mayroong ginawang kasalanan dito sa nakalista ng mga jurisdiction ng ICC, ang magbibista niyan ay ang korte doon sa bayan na yon, hindi ang International Criminal Court in The Hague. International Criminal Court, as I said, is a court of last resort. Pag hindi mo mabigyan ng katarungan ang akusado, ayaw mo o kaya hindi mo kaya, ay saka ka lang yan pupunta sa ICC.